Hi guys, so we're at Sawley level crossing in Derbyshire with Joe Thorpe. Ignore me last time for saying road. Slow barrier. That's why I thought it was on a timer. There we go, time is 9:26 on Thursday the 13th of August 2024. Our slightly delayed 9:20, 1 Victor 06 cross country service from Nottingham to Cardiff Central, and our 9:30, 1 Charlie 27 East Midlands train service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. So it'll be great for staying for both of them, or one of the two. Oh god, it's not even running. Nottingham Cardiff's not running. So it'd be just Sheffield St Pancras then, wouldn't it? Here she comes, we've got 222 101! 222 101 to London St Pancras, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.